Now, Brandy, Doggy might be doing that, right? It's probably Doggy, right? Yeah, it's probably Doggy, because he don't want to go down. Right, Brandy? Brandy, he was ugly.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you guys our new goats and also show you guys our other goats, so come with us.
Let's go.
Sorry, I forgot my name. There's some tractor.
Yeah, you guys were cleaning out the barn to make room for new goats. We got 3 new ones like we told you guys in the last video. Okay guys, we're here.
Hey guys, this here is our goat, Black Bear. Come a little closer, Brittany.
She's pregnant, you guys, like we told you she's due any day now. You can keep on seeing her babies move.
Yes.
Right now it's not doing it though, but
Hang on,
yeah.
I'll show you.
Brandy's gonna get them some food ready while I get the water ready. So you guys, Brandy's just pouring her some food now. Let's see if we can get her babies to move. You guys see that? They're moving on that side of there, see it?
Go on the other side.
Oh, there it is, you guys. You see it? Okay, let's move on to feeding the other ones. We gotta show you guys our new ones now. Let's get started. Guys, I'm gonna get some water ready. There's water. We had to buy some new bucket crates for them. They're thirsty.
Here's our new goats.
We
We
show
have
you guys them.
this black one that I'm zooming up with. Her name is Luna. Yeah. And then this one here is Buttercup. And then here's Brittany. You got the water done yet?
Yep, Brandy, the water's all done. Let's move on to the next goat. Shut this thing, we're gonna get everything all muddy. Last time we tried to film this video, it became a mud catastrophe. Wasn't the best. Okay, you guys, let's get Black Bear. Those are our 2 new goats. Brandy, you want to keep on showing them our new goats?
We have to go around the barn.
Those ones, you want to show them our new goats?
Yeah.
I'll get Black Bear some water.
I'll let y'all see them while she's giving her water. These are our new little girls, babies. And yeah, they love they are so sweet. Show you guys them for a second. We might show you guys our rabbits after we're done with the goats. And we also might walk the hill for you guys. I don't know, should we show them the dogs?
Yeah, probably. We'll probably show every animal today.
Yeah, we'll show every animal today, even our birds as well. But yeah. See if I can show you guys her belly moving. if they'll move. Brittany's over there getting
Hey, ready, you guys?
hay ready.
Hey. I'm gonna get them some bundles of hay.
Yep. By the way. Woo!
Okay, you guys.
I wish her babies would move, but they don't want to right now.
Yeah.
But I'll show you guys Brittany again.
Okay, you guys, I got the bundles of hay ready.
Who is
I need to move the water.
that for?
Just move the water for a second. There's mud on my feet and spit off. I hate mud. So the hood's there. Okay, you guys, now
Are you watering the ones right here?
one bundle for each goat. So let's get this one right here. Do a Black Bear. There's the hay for Black Bear. Now let's move on to the other goats.
Now her babies might move now.
You guys hungry? Buttercup.
Hey, what she's eating.
Okay, guys, now we're gonna get these ones.
There's her babies moving now.
I wish Brandy would show me.
Hang on. It's not all about you. There they are. Now they're moving.
Okay, you guys. I'm gonna move on.
Well, I'll show you guys having her up pretty. She looks hungry.
We're gonna get them some hay. There you guys go. Oh, I'm sorry. They got hay and they got their goat food and water. So who wants to move on to the old goats? Besides, we got one more new one we're gonna show you guys. So let's
She's in with the other ones. But she is due any day now.
Hey guys, so you guys, now we're gonna move on to Timmy and them. Brandy's probably gonna do Timmy and them. That's
Yes.
what likes doing him. Oh, how do we get this untied? I'm not sure how we get this. You know what? Okay, you guys, Brandy's getting Timmy and them. While she's doing that, I'm gonna get the hay ready, okay? Okay, you guys, now we gotta get some hay for them. Okay, you guys, we made it over to the hay bale. Okay, you guys, there's Brandy. She's trying to push Timmy off of that. There goes crazy. Okay, Brandy. Girl, you wanna give him that hay? Just spread it out for him.
Hey, Big Mama. Sorry guys, one of our goats is
Big Mama got out.
But you gotta walk.
Timmy, they're trying to get out. Others are eating now.
Up.
Timmy, we got them all back
I'm
in.
trying not to.
You guys, look at Timmy. He's trying to chase Brandy for that food.
More food. No.
He's a big horny
Come
one.
in.
I gotta get the water hose now, you guys.
Here.
Okay, you guys, we got them all watered.
He's trying to.
You guys, look at all this they got out here. Okay, you guys, now we're gonna show you our new one. That's Brownie, the old one. Brandy, you want to show them the new one?
Right there is our new one.
Timmy Galloway, you ugly
Spirit
thing.
is our new one.
Yep, I can't get to her.
No.
Brandy's gonna show you guys Spirit.
This is our pretty girl now, Spirit. She might be pregnant though as well. Yep. And then here's this big boy right here.
Is that a bird? See him to the pole right down there at the corner. See it moving?
I think so.
Okay, you guys, right here is Spirit.
Where's the rabbit one?
Want to show him Spirit, Brandy?
Yeah, here.
So you guys, we got Spirit finally. There's the new one. Keeps on running to run away. Hi, Spirit! She's the new one, you guys. Okay, we got them all fed and watered, so let's move on to the bunny rabbits. Ready, Brandy?
Yep. Well, let's go then. Bye, guys.
Bye! There's the meeting, you guys.
Hey, come on.
Okay, you guys, there's our rabbits. I'm gonna go get their bowls. Not their bowls, they're water things. They look so cute. Guys, right now Brandy's just watering them. Got one done. Let's move on to the other. Here,
Sorry,
Brandy.
guys,
Got
it's
pour out the
taking forever
dump.
today.
Pour out the water. She is a little crazy today.
Cheers, guys.
Ready to water them, Brandy? Let's get the water going. Get them all filled. Get the caps on. I'm gonna go run and turn the water off.
Take a ride on my
Big red tractor. We could go slow.
Make it go faster.
Woo!
Oh, yeah. But I might fall.
Come on, Brandy, it's time to get out. We're gonna get the little rabbits watered. Who do you think she's gonna be able to get down? She might fall. You don't put your foot on the tire, Brandy. You're gonna get hurt. Nope, and she's gonna make it. Is she? We don't know. Comment down below if you guys think she's gonna make it.
Oh, shit.
Oh gosh, crazy.
All right.
Let's go water the
Water
rabbits.
waters. Did you eat carrots?
You guys, we got some carrots to give them. Want to give this to them, Brandy? Okay, you guys, Brandy's watering them now.
Are you guys thirsty?
I bet they are. Some ice cold water. Okay, you guys, let's get the rabbits out. This one's my favorite.
Peter Rabbit.
The black one. Can I see a carrot to give to him, Brandy? You gotta do yours next, don't you? You hungry? Oh, yes. Is that good? He's eating that like it's his job, which it actually kind of is. Is that good?
Ah, I want to escape me.
Oh. You almost got his bone, ain't you? Is that good? I bet that is. I don't really like carrots unless there's like ranch or something with them.
Comment down below if you guys like carrots.
I don't. Oh, we're running out of our carrot. We could get you another one, don't we? Huh?
They love their carrots.
You guys, Peter Rabbit loves his carrot, don't you? That's my favorite bunny. Ain't you, Peter Rabbit?
I read it now. Let's show the other
Let's move
rabbits.
the other one. Okay, you guys, Brandy's getting her rabbit out now.
Got Mr. Twilight. This is our other boy.
Yep. You want to feed Twilight? He looks pretty hungry. You hungry, Twilight? I know Peter Rabbit was, then we got one more, you guys, we gotta get. Dang, he ate that carrot fast. But you guys, we did just give them carrots earlier for their breakfast. This is around lunchtime now.
He's floating.
Look, you guys, there's a bunch of cows up there. Those ain't ours, though. Those are our neighbors. They got a farm, too. Okay, you guys, now Brandy, who do you got?
Daisy.
Say hi to the camera, Daisy. Hi. Shut up, Brandy. You're just sitting trying to make fun of me because I stepped and said that.
She's our carrot lover.
Yeah, look how fast she eat a carrot. That's crazy. Okay, you guys, we got Daisy getting her carrot. Is that good, Daisy? Okay, you guys, now who wants to see our other animals? We're going to show you guys some of our dogs.
Ow!
Okay, you guys, we're going to move on to our dogs. My favorite dog's Mario, so let's go see him. Or no, we'll see Mario last, because he's down there. So let's go see the Rottweilers. Guys, that's Gemma right there. That one is.
Here's Gemma.
What's that one's name, Brandy?
Gemma.
Okay, you guys, now Brandy's going to show you another one. That one's Bama. That one's Keisha, you guys.
You're not even showing her.
You want to show him Keisha?
Yes.
That's Keisha, you guys.
I'm done.
Okay, you guys, there's Keisha. Okay, you guys, that one right there, that one's Boss. Brandy's going to show you the next one.
Oh.
That one's Sable, you guys.
Ruger.
That one's Ruger, you guys. Our other dog. Now we got 4 more to show you guys.
There are 10 dogs total.
How many Rottweilers do we got?
8.
And then how many English Bulldogs do we got, Brandy?
2.
Okay, you guys, now we're going to show you our other dog. Here's my favorite, personally. I love this dog.
What's she doing?
Ain't he the cutest, you guys, Mario? He's the cutest dog, him and Bella. That one's Bella, you guys. I like Bella too, she's a cute one. Mario, Boss, and Bella are my favorite. She's the cute Bella. Okay, you guys, let's move on to the last 2 dogs we got.
Era. This is Sierra. Hi, Cece.
Hey, Brandy, you want to go show the birds now? Okay, you guys, in the next animals we're going to show you guys, we got 1, 2 lures, 3 parakeets, 1 African gray, and then what's the boss baby? Okay, you guys, we got a yellow nap that's Goldie, and then we got a conure that's Boss Baby. Let's go
So
see
here
him.
is our kitties.
Brady, I want to show you our cast real quick. That's one of them. I don't know where the other 2 are. Running.
There's one under here. That's the other cat.
So you got cat, and let's move on.
Goldie, guys. This is our yellow nap.
And he's so cute.
He might want to come to me today. Let's see. Want to come?
Okay, you guys, now she's going to show you Pixie. Pixie's Brandy's favorite.
Yeah, this one here is my baby.
That's the African gray one.
She wants to come to say hi, hi guys. You can come, Goldie.
Okay, Brandy, we'll move on to the
Pixie,
lures.
Pixie.
Okay, we got to show the lures now.
This one here is my baby. Show me this.
Okay, you guys, there's Brandy and Goldie. He's a yellow nap. Okay, you guys, there's one of our parakeets. There's another one. And then there's the last one. There's 3 parakeets.
Thork is green one. That one there is Pedro, and then the other one is blue.
Okay, you guys, those are our lures. Now, last one's Boss Baby. Okay, you guys, that's Boss Baby. He's a conure.
She, not a he.
Oh, she, yeah.
So this here is the end of the video. Thank you guys for coming on and watching and saying hi. This is Goldie. He's also saying bye to you guys. So yeah, if you guys have any videos that you guys want to see us do,
Could you guys please comment down below? Jinx, Brandy.
and we should do a shout out today. Let's give it 2 shout
Logan
outs today.
C.
Today I'm gonna give 2 shout outs.
You guys, the shout out's going to go to Logan C. Brandy, you want to say his name?
Logan C.
Okay, you guys, Brandy's just trying to find those people. Find some of our subscribers and give them shout outs. Brandy, you want to give your shout outs?
My shout outs goes to Sarah Feltz and Brianna Newland.
My shout outs are going to go to Dark Matthew and Amber Fair and Logan C.
Thank you all for
Subscribing
commenting and subscribing and liking.
If there's any other videos, like Brandy said earlier, you want to see us do, please comment down below. Any pranks or anything. We'll see you guys next time. Peace out.
We will be also be talking about our.
Brandy had some few more words to say.
We're also going to talk about our new goat.
Whenever it has babies,
Yes.
we'll blog about it for you guys.
So we'll show you guys them as well. And he wants to say hi, guys.
You want to say hi, Goldie?
Hello.
Hello, Goldie. Hello.
Hello. Are you going to talk? Hello. Hello, Goldie. Hello. Hello, Goldie.
Got any words for us, Goldie? Watch this, you guys.
Hello.
If we laugh, he laughs.
Hello.
Every time we laugh, you guys, he laughs. Okay, it's the end of today's video. See you guys next time.
Bye, guys. Peace out.